Hello friends, welcome back to the Checkout Guy YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how you can create a heading block in your Shopify store. You might have seen some heading block like this in order to make some urgency in the shoppers to complete the purchase. So you can just use this kind of blocks. So let's see how we can create similar blocks in your Shopify store too. Let's get started. Before going to the video, please make sure that you are subscribed to our channel for more Shopify tips. For setting this up, I'm using Checkout extension Ninja app. I have downloaded this from Shopify App Store. If you need, I will be attaching the link to this app in the description box. You can just check it out. A quick reminder that this kind of customization is available only for the Shopify Plus members. So click on Checkout Ninja block and go to the block section. Now we have to click on Create New Block. There will be some default templates showing up here with different blocks. You can either go with this, otherwise you can close this and click on add block. Now I'm searching particularly for the heading block, so I'm clicking on add to checkout. First thing, we have to give a proper title so that we can just easily identify this from our list of blocks. And if you have any conditional visibility, like if you want to show up this block to be appear only when specific condition is met, then you can just enable this and add the conditional visibility criteria over here. There are multiple options showing here. Otherwise, you can just keep it disabled so that the block will be available at the checkout page always. And click on heading, and then you can just add any heading. Let's say with hurry limited stock, I'm planning to make some urgency with the customers to complete the purchase. So let's go with this. And the type of heading, you can just go with any size or like a heading H1, H2. There are multiple options showing up. So I'm planning to go with H1. And the content, you can just give anything. I'm just giving like complete your purchase before the item sells out, which is suitable for my heading also. And the spacing also, you can make some tight lows or base. I'm going with the base, so the space of the heading and the description will be in a base mode. Okay, so let's done this. And yeah, before saving it, make sure that the status is active. Okay, the status is active. Let's save it. So after saving it, we will be getting some block ID immediately here. From here, copy your block ID from here, and you can click on open checkout editor page. Now we have to add the custom block to the checkout from here, and we have to paste the block ID which we have copied earlier here in this field. So you can see that the custom block has been created now. Now let's drag this block to our order summary area, which is suitable for this block to be placed. Yeah, now I am dragging this to my order summary page. Now what happens is the block has been replaced to this area. Now let's save it. Now let's test this up in our online store. Let's land on the checkout page. And in my order summary page, there will be the heading blocks showing up like this. So that's how you can create a heading block in your Shopify store easily. So while you are waiting for, just grab the link from the description box and try this out in your online store. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and also please do like, comment and share. Thanks for watching.